How to transplant a viburnum bush. Viburnum bushes provide a lot of bang for the buck. These attractive plants show well during all 4 seasons. They range in size from 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide for the dwarf American cranberry bush to 12 feet tall by 10 feet wide for the wayfaring tree. They thrive under less than desirable conditions. And, due to their fibrous root system, they are easy to transplant. Things you will need: viburnum bush, shovel or spade, garden fork, water, commercial fertilizer or bone meal optional. Choose where you want to transplant your viburnum bush. Viburnum prefers full sun but can grow in partial shade. Be sure you have enough room for the type of viburnum bush you have. Remove your viburnum bush from where it's currently planted. Dig a hole around the outer edge of the bush, as far out as its longest branch. Using your spade, dig carefully. You want to do as little damage to the root system as possible. A garden fork helps loosen the dirt around the viburnum shrub. Carefully lift the plant out, and gently set it aside. Dig the new hole. When transplanting your viburnum bush, dig a hole 2 to 3 times as wide as the bush and as deep as the root ball. Don't dig the hole too deep or your viburnum will tend to get soggy roots. Carefully place the plant in the hole. Before filling the hole with dirt, water thoroughly. You might want to add fertilizer or bone meal, although some experts don't think it's necessary. Plant nurseries often recommend fertilizing to help give the plant a good start. After allowing the water to soak in, fill the hole with the dirt you dug up. Use what's left to fill the hole from where you had removed your viburnum bush. Tend with care. Right after transplanting, you'll need to keep your viburnum well watered so that it doesn't suffer from root shock. Tips: warnings. Planting and transplanting are best done in late fall or early spring. If you can't replant your viburnum shrub immediately after removing it from its original spot, carefully wrap the roots in burlap. Transplant within a couple days at most.